I don't know how well you can hear it on this phone. I'm trying to figure out what's going on with the truck, other than the service engine light. Well, it disappeared. You talk about it and it disappears. But if I'm going down the road, seems okay. Get a little, but you can hear. See them, hear my lifters rattling. I let off enough just to make the noise go away. RPMs are right about 1600. But it just started doing that recently. I've changed the oil. I put a little bit of a quart of Lucas in there. Somebody told me to put that in there, see if that helped. But it's still, I even bumped it up to 93 octane gas. I don't know if I got, because I can sit there and cruise down the road. But once I try to get on it, does it again. Back off just a little bit and it goes away. I don't know what the sun. Don't help driving straight into the sun, does it? Started doing that I guess 2 weeks ago. I don't drive it during the weekday usually. I usually only use it to go pick up scrap and stuff. But if I put it in park and rev it up, it don't seem like it does it. Well, at least it usually don't do it. Bumpy old road here. Let's see here. Back in the driveway. Yeah. But it is. See how it. I don't know, I can't figure out what's going on with the thing. I don't know if it needs new. I don't know, time it could be off or something.